Welcome friends to SSC CGL Tier 2 level quick algebra problem solving. This is Attorney Chaudhary of SureSolve. Now in this first part, we'll solve question 1 to question 5 of SSC CGL Tier 2 solution set 1 on Algebra 1 from suresolve.com. Let's solve the first problem. Question 1 is, find the maximum value of the expression p square plus 7p plus 13 whole to the power minus 1. Option A is 5 by 7, option B 4 by 3, option C 20 and option D 3 by 7. The given expression is 1 by p square plus 7p plus 13. We will get its maximum value if we find the minimum value of the denominator p square plus 7p plus 13 and invert the minimum value. So we can rephrase the problem as, find the minimum value of the expression p square plus 7p plus 13 and invert this minimum value. To find the minimum value of the quadratic expression, we'll change it to a form that contains a perfect square of sum like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. P is a here and the middle term is 7p equal to 2pb. So, b equal to 7 by 2. With these values now, we'll express the quadratic expression as p square plus 2 into p into 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 13. Equal to p plus 7 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. Logic of minimization is applied on this form of the quadratic expression only. The reasoning is p plus 7 by 2 whole square will have a positive value for all real values of p except for p equal to minus 7 by 2 when it will be 0 and the quadratic expression will be at its minimum. Finally then, invert this minimum value of 3 by 4 to 4 by 3 to get the desired maximum value of the given expression. Answer is option B 4 by 3. Let's see the second problem. Question 2 is, if n equal to 7 plus 3 square root 5, then the value of square root n plus 1 by square root n is option A 5 by 7, option B 7 by 12, option C 9 plus square root 5 divided by 2 square root 2 and option D square root 5 divided by 2 square root 2. Surd variable n being under a square root, you have to deal with double square root surd simplification for solving the problem. And to do it, you must express 7 plus 3 square root 5 as a square of sum. This is the main task to solve the problem. In a three-term expansion of a square of sum like a square plus 2ab plus b square, the middle term must have the coefficient of 2. In this case, you don't have 2 with the surd term, which must be the middle term. To get this coefficient of 2, multiply and divide the sum of surd by 2 and get n equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 14 plus 6 square root 5. You can now expand this surd expression to a three-term sum of square form. N equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by root 5 whole square plus 2 into 3 into square root 5 plus 3 square equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 plus root 5 whole square. So, square root n equal to 1 by square root 2 multiplied by 3 plus square root 5. With this value finally, square root n plus 1 by square root n equal to 1 by square root 2 multiplied by 3 plus square root 5 plus square root 2 divided by 3 plus square root 5. Rationalize the second term. To get 1 by square root 2 multiplied by 3 plus square root 5 plus square root 2 multiplied by 3 minus square root 5 divided by 4 equal to 1 by 2 square root 2 multiplied by 9 plus square root 5. Answer is option C, 1 by 2 square root 2 multiplied by 9 plus square root 5. It is straightforward third algebra. Let's solve the next problem. Question 3 is, if x equal to 20 and y equal to 19, the value of x square plus y square plus xy divided by x cube minus y cube is option A 35, option B 1, option C 324 and option D 365. Identify the numerator straightaway to be the second factor of the two-factor expansion of x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y multiplied by x square plus y square plus xy. This second factor cancels out and the expression reduces to just 1 by x minus y equal to 1. Answer is option B 1. The problem is simple enough. Let's solve the next problem. Question 4 is, if p plus 2p by 3 plus p by 2 plus p by 7 equal to 97, then the value of p is option A 46, option B 44, option C 40 and option D 42. Essentially, this problem turns out to be just an evaluation of sum of fractions. From the given expression p plus 2p by 3 plus p by 2 plus p by 7 equal to 97, you get p multiplied by 1 plus 2 by 3 plus half plus 1 by 7 equal to 97. Or p multiplied by 97 by 42 equal to 97. So the result is p equal to 42. Answer option D 42. You can also solve this problem without any fraction sum evaluation. From the numeric choice values, deduce that the numerator of the fraction sum must be 97, thus cancelling it out. So value of p will be just the LCM of the denominators, which will be 42. This solution should be very quick. Let's solve the last problem. Question 5 is, if p equal to 1 plus square root 2 plus square root 3, then p plus 1 by p minus 1 is option A 1 plus 2 square root 3, option B 2 square root 3 minus 1, option C 2 plus square root 3 and option D 3 plus square root 2. To make the given expression similar to the direct expression, make a little change to the given expression and bring in p minus 1 as p minus 1 equal to square root 3 plus square root 2. So 1 by p minus 1 equal to 1 by square root 3 plus square root 2. Rationalizing this, we have 1 by p minus 1 equal to square root 3 minus square root 2. The target expression in terms of p minus 1 is p minus 1 plus 1 by p minus 1 plus 1 equal to 2 square root 3 plus 1. Answer is option A 1 plus 2 square root 3. Can be solved easily in mind. To read the detailed solutions, refer to the corresponding article in our website suresolve.com. The link is given in the description of this video. And for latest updates, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.